Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Raisa from the Department of Multimedia Broadcasting, Penspes DKU Sumeneb. Here I will explain the parts of the camera and their function and how to use the camera. Before that, I want to explain a little about what a camera is. In the world of photography, the camera is a device to film and record a portrait image on the film set. In the television camera, the lens system from image on light sensitive plate. Di sini saya akan menjelaskan tentang kamera parts and their function. Yang pertama dari the front face. The front face dari sisi depan, the front of the camera that will capture image directly. Here are the camera parts and their function. Number 1, shutter button. Shutter button use to command the camera record or shoot an image. Number 2, safety-timer. Safety-timer di sini safety-timer. The function of this lamp is a safety-timer which will flash off predetermines duration of the timer when taking picture and video. The second function is to run the red a indication like when pressing the button halfway. Yang ketiga yaitu lensa mount. Lensa mount ini adalah lensa mount. Located at the top of the lens will mark of lens attachment. So when installing the lens, try to lens to mark it on the camera lens. The index can read with according to the type of camera. Lens release button. Lens button. Jadi tadi cara membukanya kita pencet ini, lalu putar kamera, set up a lens hook and lids with the main body of the camera. To remove the lens, simply place the button and rotate the lens its direction until it's clicked. And number 6, mirror. Ini Bu yang ada di dalam. Special part of DSLR camera and rarely found in other camera that will reflect light from the lens into the viewfinder. This allows the photography to view into through viewfinder in real time. Board is flash. Ini biasanya ada flashnya Bu. But is flash. This lamp can provide instant bright light a face, dim skin or object. Jadi kita pasang lagi. Kita pencet sininya. Nah, jika sudah, bagian belakang a cup and the pan of external light when they use in content with the space a cup bagian sininya. Dan number 2 EP viewfinder, kita bisa memfoto menggunakan ini. Nah, a place to see object to photograph talks the camera lens when taking picture from this small window. And LCD monitor camera screen that can display all the information camera setting and photo display. This section can also be used the place to see the object to be photography. Menu button. Nah, sini itu menu button use when you used when you want to adjust camera focus. Once this button is select more detailed camera setting with display. Play button. Di sini ada gambar playnya, yaitu play button. Play button has a function to review photo that have taken in addition to play video that have been recorded if pressed when the video is displayed. Dan selanjutnya itu ISO speed setting. ISO is sensitive if of light is seen on the camera. The ISO speed button is used to adjust the camera sensitive to the lighting condition. The scan while image was taken. And delete button and clean up unwanted of flat image or video capture. Focus point selection button. Focus point di layar ini biasanya ada gambar merah, dan jika itu sudah fokus sama objek kita berwarna green, hijau. Use when you want to use autofocus selection mode during autofocus shooting. And selanjutnya yaitu ini. Zoom out, zoom in. Rotating the zoom ring on the left can change the focal length up to a point. Focus ring, focus object. Selanjutnya yaitu ada tempat penyimpanan memori di sini, lalu and charger di sini. Selanjutnya itu how to shoot a picture using two camera DSLR. Number 1, take a camera and know your camera as you know yourself. This statement is very interesting because the camera is one of the determining factor is producing good photo. Number 2, manual mode active. Kita ubah ke manual. Turn to mode dial which is usually on the top left to point to M or manual mode. After that is different to take picture with different variation. Number 3, aim your camera well and collection. This is very important step. Don't forget this step. Step 3, turning on the camera if you have never done this before. Pointing the camera as well is area. This pointing your camera at a object has a sufficient amount of light. Remember, keep the camera away from a stable surface to make sure your composition does not change. Number 4, what's your camera setting? Shutter speed. Kita setting di shutter speednya, yaitu make sure and shutter speed well when you start shooting, as your local length will be problem if vibration or sync doesn't have a great effect on your photo. Biasanya shutter speed ini di 1/250 second of faster. Yang kedua yaitu ISO. Kita bisa memainkan di ISO. ISO International Standard Organization is ISO in digital sensor, a measure of light people of around lot when they're about photographs on the mention opening ear breaking constantly changing their facial expression. ISO itu bisa main di 1600, 3200, 6400 tergantung foto kita mengambilnya di outdoor atau indoor. And number 5, know your photo location. Knowledge of the benefit that can from shooting location and important for very photography to pay attention to. Take the him rain, for example, when is this the best moment and time for like when kit of camera stop to show possibility of angle shooting location in the shooting image. Kita harus memperhatikan lokasi juga untuk memfoto sebuah objek. Phone you set to camera, shaking of vibration of the camera is something that is very disturbing for every photography because this will have an unavoidable effect on your photo. Number 7, creative subject cues. A creative subject always means someone who also has smile his front of the camera. Subject is something that makes you interesting and it can be anything. For example, you laying on the ground, you baby chill, listen to you and people playing futsal. And number 8 yaitu lighting. Light is one the factor give effects and sharpness to a photo. Lighting merupakan faktor utama dalam kita mengambil sebuah foto. Like a mouse as possible. And number 9, shutter button. Ini dia. Jangan lupa untuk memfoto, kita mengklik ini, shutter button. After everything is set, the last step is to press the run or shutter button to take a picture of the object. Then we see the last shot of the image on the playback button. Kita coba melihat. Ini dia. Ini gambarnya di sini. Ya, seperti itu cara mengambil foto menggunakan kamera. Terima kasih, sekian dari saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Mohon maaf sebelumnya jika ada salah kata, dan apabila ada kebisingan saya mohon maaf karena saya mengambil videonya di kampus. Sekian dari saya, terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.